Adam is stressing out. I'm stressing out. Keep coming. Man, I feel like you stitched me up here, man. This is the scariest drive of my life. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Wong, and today we are in the Subaru WRX, and we're going to be pumping up some petrol in this car because we have been driving it, and teaching Devi has been quite heavy. Honestly, filling this car up is actually not that bad. It's kind of fuel economical and it's awesome. Alright guys, we are all good to go. Subi is looking nice. A little bit dirty, but you know, it is what it is. Oh, yo, what? Dude, take a look at this. Is that a Liberty Walk R35 GTR? No, this can't be happening right now. What? Yo, this thing is sick. What the heck is this doing here? This right here, guys, is one of the craziest R35 GTRs in the Southern Hemisphere. I've seen it all over TikTok, all over Instagram, and it's right here at 7-Eleven with us and the Subi. Oh my god. Man, my name's Clay. Brother, this car is ridiculous. I came back from Japan not too long ago, and this is exactly what I saw kind of over there. Yep. At the Tokyo Auto Salon, but you bought the Auto Salon here. Yep.
Now it's here. Now in Melbourne. Whole
It's
body kit.
so
it's
awesome.
a silhouette body kit.
Silhouette. What does that mean?
So that originated in the 1980s with the R30 Nissan Skylines.
Okay.
They were called the silhouette. So you got airbags. So AirX air suspension.
So it sits on the ground when needed and can go over any speed humps. I was wondering, how did you get in here like this, you know?
Yeah, got to bring it right up.
It's super tasty in here, and it's just insane to see how wide it is compared to the standard. I've kind of just been drawn to the front, but I know the back end of this car is probably even better. Oh my god, oh, I just peeked at it. This thing is crazy wide, and there's so much extra camber as well.
You've got FI variable exhaust.
Full titanium as well?
Full titanium. Put it all together with everything, exhaust, wheels, air suspension, the kit, the painting, the installation. You're looking at easy 150 to 200k.
Just for the kit or the car?
Yeah, just for the kit.
Just for the kit?
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah. Doing that, it's on, it's quite heavy.
Oh, so it's tuned as well?
Yeah.
How much power does it currently make?
Between 6 and 650 horsepower. So about,
whoa, 650 horsepower?
Yeah, so around like 450 kilowatt, around there.
Jesus.
Run? You
Yeah,
come for a cruise?
let's do it, man. Let's send it, bro. Dude, I kind of want to see this on the street. This is pretty crazy. They've asked me to go on a little cruise with them to Macca's to do the traditional Macca's run, and I am so stoked. It kind of seems like this happens on a daily, but I assure you guys, we never ever see cars like this, and yeah, that R35 GTR is bonkers. So I guess we're gonna go head to Macca's together. Adam is stressing out. I'm stressing out. That still blows my mind as one of the craziest GTRs I have ever seen. Struggling to get out, full crab walk. Literally, no word of a lie, this thing is getting so much attention from everywhere. Oh my god. Everyone is losing their mind over this thing. I didn't think I'd ever see a Liberty Walk at Macca's here in Australia. Actually insane. It looks so good, man.
Yeah, thanks, mate.
What a beast.
I was thinking while we're at Macca's, you want to drive it through?
Are you serious?
Yeah,
dude, I would absolutely love that. Do you think it would fit through the arches over there?
Yeah, we'll have to suss it out.
Oh man, let's do it, man.
Yeah,
thank you so much, bro. So we've got your mate Rio here as well, filming.
Yeah.
So Adam's actually also making a YouTube channel series on this car. So be sure to check him out on YouTube. This is hilarious. Oh my god, what are we doing? When was the last time you went to Macca's?
Yeah, it's been a while.
Hi, can we get 3 soft serves, please?
They don't have ice cream at the moment, sorry.
They don't have ice cream? Can we get 3 frozen Cokes, please? Oh, that is really close. How you feeling? Does it look alright?
Rio, how are we looking?
Oh, is that good?
Alright.
Alright. Adam is stressing out. I'm stressing out. Keep coming. Keep turning. We're good, bro. We made it. I think we got one more over there, but we should be right.
We're probably gonna get stuck down there after reverse out.
100%, man. I feel like you stitched me up here, man. This is the scariest drive of my life. Yo, this is crazy. I think we just made his day. I could see you smile at the end. Yo, we are taking this thing through Macca's.
Close, not too close.
Thank you so much. Oh my god. Oh my god. Here we are, brother. Alright, man, let's park this beast up. Wow, let's check it out. Number 1. It's releasing a nice long gas. Here we are, bro.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. One for Rio.
Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate it, bro.
Thank you, sir. Cheers. Cheers.
Man, cheers. Kanpai.
Kanpai. Kanpai. Wait, you're Japanese,
I'm
yeah?
Japanese, bro. Yeah.
Oh, no way. You can teach us.
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
私は吉野内亮太です。よろしくお願いします。
Hey, that's sick.
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。Oh, you want a photo? Everyone wants a photo. Jesus.
He likes the Nissans. He loves them too.
Man of the hour, my man. So we're gonna go back the Liberty Walk next to the Macca's waiting bay here. We're just taking some photos if that's alright. Thank you so much.
Clay, that's drive-thru, bro. That's drive-thru. It's not a walk-through.
So I just have to get my phone to get more content. Dude, this thing is freaking insane, guys. I can't believe we're out here with the Liberty Walk 35. Yo. And I drove it through the drive-thru.
Yeah, you just walked.
Oh my god. What a sight. Alright, man, I think it's time we sent it.
Yeah.
We sent it?
Yeah. So we can get out here.
Let's get out of here. Alright guys, so Adam is going to show us how to drive a Liberty Walk R35 GTR.
Yeah, there you go.
Jesus! You got a crazy car, man. Thanks so much for that, bro. I appreciate it a lot.
You're welcome.
What a beast, man. So if you guys want to see more content, be sure to check out GDR Imports Australia. And if you guys have enjoyed this video, smash that thumbs up button. Let us know in the comments what you want to see next with the car. Maybe we could do some more funny content. Stay tuned, guys. Consider hitting that subscribe button. I will see you in the next one. Take care.